What is an accessory symptom?
Accessory symptoms are the symptoms which the patient feels about himself. No, sir. Talks about himself.
Talks or feels?
Feels.
Then what is the subjective symptoms?
Subjective symptoms. Oh, sorry, sir. पहले जो बोला वही subjective symptoms है.
So then what is the accessory symptom? तुम्हें जवाब पता भी है या नहीं?
नहीं पता, sir.
अच्छा. Tell me what is meant by hypochondriac patient?
Those patients who exaggerate their sufferings.
That is hypersensitive patient, not hypochondriac. How are general symptoms classified?
General symptoms are those symptoms which belong to the patient.
What?
Those symptoms which patient says about himself.
I asked, how are general symptoms classified? Don't waste my time if you don't know the answers. Just leave and send the next student in.
Thank you, sir.
What is a hypochondriac patient?
Hypochondriacs are those patients who have morbid anxiety about their health. Very often they present with an imaginary illness. Their complaints are never fixed. It keeps on changing its location and severity. All these are a result of his or her nervousness and imaginary fears.
Good. What is the difference between hypochondriac patient and hypersensitive patient?
Hypochondriac patients imagine complaints because of fear and anxiety, whereas hypersensitive intensifies the complaints because they want immediate relief. They think that if they don't intensify their complaints, the doctor may take it easy and will not give the right medicine to get quick relief.
Excellent. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Listen. Send next student in.
Okay. He is waiting for you inside.
Okay, but first, tell me, how did you do that? Where did you find all that so accurately?
Look, everything is there in our books. And learning has become not just simple, but very exciting and interesting too. Log on to Homoeomirror. It's exclusively designed for we students. Whatever is given in our book, the same is explained in very easy and simple way with the help of real cases, animations and multimedia clips. We could see real cases, understand the basics in a better way. Moreover, a major part of the subscription fees goes to the charity for helping poor people in need.
इतना सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में? I am sure इसका सब्सक्रिप्शन महंगा होगा.
बिल्कुल नहीं. It's always better to learn the basics now for our better future.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Homoeomirror and make your dreams come true. Download the app now.